my fans.
Guys, siya po si Yoyo. Soso. Ayan. Sabi niya, oh. Ayan.
Cardi single. Look, Indians are sitting like this.
This is the Indian style sitting. Magandang dilag ang puso ko'y.
Oh, come on.
This is my coach.
His coach. He's the coach.
He's the big bodybuilder.
Big builder.
Oh, mask Martin, nice.
He's only assistant.
Why you remove and tell me remove the mask?
He's the coach. What are you doing now? What will you do?
Imran, Mr. Hyderabad. Yeah, make
What will you do now? We are just sitting here.
Everyone is enjoying here and going skateboard, enjoying.
Go by walking.
We are cycling. We are mini, little bit mini.
Asim. Yo. This is Yo.
So
Awesome.
everyone just to subscribe his channel.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Vadeo. Mr. India.
Mr. Kunyatugola.
And this guy, what is this? Mr. What?
I'm nothing. I'm Mr. നമ്മളെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ വേറെ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്.
Oh, no.
Hey. See, what, you don't know him?
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
And the feed is about to offline. And the feed even open the offline. I'm looking at high life. മുത്തുക്കൾ തിരിക്കും നിലത്തിൽ ഇരിക്കും നടക്കും കിടക്കും.
Nakakatawa.
About the Indian dish food.
Yeah, I wanna try.
Yeah, let's finish this Ramadan. After that we go together. We're gonna make a this Indian burger. But the nationality Philippines. Where you are Philippines?
Yes, mix.
Yes, mix. Oh, mix it. Tagalog? No. 99 girlfriend.
99 girlfriends.
Isabella. Yes.
You want to say something? No, you want to say
Inshallah soon this we're gonna make a nice video regarding the Indian food. So friends are just subscribe his channel and comments and like if you like.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
When you have plans to go to Philippines?
So after this pandemic corona, I'm just gonna visit Philippines. We're all together.
Oh, come on.
And told me you have a plan to buy some land here.
They are waiting. They are waiting.
And what time we have to take in workout.
Yeah, inshallah. But inshallah, I will go inside.
People are there like Chakakuta. You know, they Chakakuta. They feel like Chakakuta. They get in front of camera.
So.
No, he's bachelor. His father is chronic bachelor.
What's father?
Chronic bachelor. Saying something, he's crazy. He's Saraulu. Aywa. Saraulu and Bali.
Baliw, Buang.
Let's we go to drink some tea or coffee.
Again?
Yeah, sure. Every day, you know.
What is this? What is this? What is this, Yani? Daily
Please
routine?
scratch your back.
Oh my God. My fan.
Oh, no.
girls. You know, see, he's going because there's your Filipino girls are there.
Oh,
That's why he
yalla,
just
yalla,
got-
go, go, go.
This is not walking. This is I like Ambal, but this is Mumbai. One of my friends there. No. You have friend?
Guys, this is our daily routine, right? We will drink chai,
Chai, Kali chai. Indian tea.
kali
Indian
chai,
tea, yeah? Indian tea.
Indian tea
With milk, huh?
with milk.
Do you like with milk or without milk? With cow milk.
I want dog milk.
Erma milk. Go ahead, stupid. Indian also my wife and daughter.
Oh, come on.
Of the today. I have a Erma milk. No, this is part of enjoying. Yeah, our enjoying.
Yalla, enjoy. Ayan. Naami diri sa kuan sa coffee sa tea coffee store. Ayan.
This is not people.
Store. Ayun. Oh. Yes, he's rich guy.
Today's his party.
No, I don't have money. You know.
Hi.
He forget his money. Cigarette smoking is good to your health.
Not good.
So you need to smoke one day, one pack.
Yeah, one pack. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys.
So lolo yo-yo. So lolo yo-yo.
Mark Henry. We Remo.
Wallah, Ashik, cheers.
Cheers. Where is Asim?
Come with me.
Wallah, come, welcome.
Too much cheers always. Cheers. Cheers with Indian tea.
Cheers.
This is Kandan Devan tea.
One,
Two.
bro, cheers, bro.
We don't have Starbucks.
Cheers. One. It's okay, it's not Starbucks. It's not necessary Starbucks, you know. This is special. Cheers.
Done, sir.
Ayan, sharing.
I like Superman.
Yeah, he's Superman.
But my Superman is sitting here.
He's the
But
original
he's too
Superman.
much smoking. That's why I'm very problem sometimes. Sometimes I don't smoke. And I think
No, I don't eat, bro.
anyone like green tea?
My teeth is
Give water.
Enjoy.
Enjoy with potato chips. Eating too
potato
much green
chips.
tea. This is not green
Yes,
tea. Enjoying.
Yes, yo-yo.
This is my
Yo-yo.
thank you
Father.
guys.
So. Lolo.
He is my father friend.
Dodo.
48 age. But he is looking young. Young.
Yeah, guys,
the
do you
secret,
believe?
what the secret?
He's
The secret-
43 years
I
old,
don't
but see,
want
look
the
like
secret.
25
The
years old.
secret is Parangani. I not secret.
Parangani?
Parangani.
What Parangani?
Parangani.
Parangani?
Yes.
What is that?
That is like a local food. Indian, this kind of people.
As in like eating
Yes.
kubus?
Yes. These local people, you know. This guy, what is Chakakutan. There's a Chakakutan also. This is Chakakutan, main Chakakutan business.
Chakagutan?
Yes, Chakakutan.
Inta Chakagutan?
Yes, his father is also Chakapurukutan.
Come on, jackfruit मालूम है?
Go upload it. No, he is Modidar one. Sitting but speaking this.
He's the model of the chips.
Modidar one in India. He's no kung fu, eye contact, karate, eating, sleeping, everything.
Eating, sleeping, no working?
No working, only eating, only sleeping.
MashaAllah.
Working in only eating.
With salary, huh?
With salary.
Who will give salary?
He is Kuwaiti.
He's Kuwaiti. He's a
But mix,
Kuwaiti.
but mix.
What mix?
Yes. Kudu Kuwaiti. Mudir.
Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Bye. Boom boom.